Hello, my name is Olivia Wena and Hendry Suman. My metric number is at 0925. So I'm gonna present about preset data and summary. First, preset data. This is the member functions in class furniture. In here, there's a preset data of transaction, the first transaction. It is the setting number, maximum number of products in this is the setting maximum number of product in stack to be 5, and then the copy strings to its destinations, and also same goes to the color, the variable of color, material, size, price, and quantities. And then next is for integers I equal to 0, I less than 2, and I plus plus is called the overloading add order function to put the preset data into the stack linked list. Next is this is the member function for the transaction summary in furniture class. This is the node, the setting node, and then this is the setting node to front, and this is declaring variable x with integer data type to 0, and also y with integer data type to 0. And then here is the character type with declaring a 3D array type with character data type. And then here is if run of here is should be stack has no elements, and then the character output, and then the system will pause and then return to the statement. Here is the if the user enter to view a daily transactions, and then here is the declaring variable choice with integer data type, and then this is the set width for variable type, color, material, size, price, and quantity. And then here is the calculating total amount for each product. And then this is the calculating total amount for all the product. This is the copy string to stack linked list. And then this is the copy string to stack linked list also, and all same goes to this. And then here is the setting element to stack linked list. And then here is the displaying total amount, and then here is the choice for user to view the transaction summary, which is either in furniture type or total income. And then it will displaying a total product amount in same to the choice that the user choose. And then here is the calling bubble sort integer function, and then here is the calling display menu function. This is also displaying total amount for all products. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Faiz with metric number 73605. I'm going to present the sort for our code. So this is the code from our project, from our group. So from line 350 to line 393, we're using the function to sort using bubble sort concept. So this is the function is for the uh, for our project. We are is declaring the array temp available with character data type, and going to declare the variable with float data type, variable with integer data type, variable with float data type. And using this function, sorting strings using bubble sort, and this is for function for bubble sorting, and this is the function for bubble sorting. So and from line 365 to 431, this is the function to sort using selection sort concept for integer. For any number that we will be using, for any data that involve number that we are going to use in our code. So just like the function before, we're going to declare the array variable with character data type, the variable with float data type, with variable with integer data type, and also we are sorting the integers using bubble sort. This is the function that we're going to use in the code. Next, I'm going to explain the search function that we are going to use from in this code for our project. So search order is in a linked list. So setting node to front, and this is when we have like no data, or we call it no element in front for the code later if we are going to use the code. So this is the character output, the post system, the return statement. So this is the declaration of variables with integer data type, declaring total variable with double data type to 0, character output, character input. This is for clearing the previous input buffer, to ignore the last input, character output, and the character input. So this is the continuation from our previous function. So this we set the first to 0, and this is for setting the last variable. We traverse the node to mid position, and if value found mid, this is what the function looks like. And this is if the value is in the upper half, and if the value is in the lower half. And this function for the first is more than last, and the character output for system, and the return statement. So this is the output for the search function. When we use the code and we enter the number 2, it will show this menu because the function is used to search the furniture list or the transaction number that we made from using this code. I think that's all.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I will present about add and delete order, also view current order. So for add order, this is the coding here. Until here, and for delete order, this is the coding for delete order here. Until here. And to know how it works, we run the program. We enter number 1, and to add new order, we enter number 1, and we enter the type of furniture number 1, color of furniture number 1, material of furniture number 1, size of furniture number 1, price of the product number 1, the quantity also 1. And to know, and we enter Y to confirm our order. Press enter. And to delete order, we press number 2. So to delete order, we enter number 2 for delete order. We enter product name 1. So our order already deleted. For view current order, this is the coding here. Until here, and we run the program to know how it works. First, we enter number 1. We add new order. We enter type of furniture number 1, color number 1, material number 1, size number 1, price number 1, quantity number 1, and enter Y to confirm our order. After that, we enter number 2 to edit. Edit is to add or delete order. After that, we add order. Type of furniture number 2, color number 2, material number 2, size number 2, price furniture number 2, and the quantity of furniture 1. And our order successfully saved to new order. After that, we enter number 3 to view current order. So we have 2 current order now.